It is June, and yet this whole week has been rainy, gloomy, and just depressing. So I'm gonna try and make the most of it today. I have some errands to run, and I'm gonna take you along with me, and we're gonna pretend that like we are in Forks, Washington in a Twilight movie, I guess, and enjoy the rain, which is hard for me to do because I hate it and I want the sun to come out, but it's not gonna happen today. So we're just gonna go do stuff, I guess. So come along with me as we go do stuff. I hit the curb so bad when I pulled into this parking lot. I got nervous because it was a thump. I don't see much damage, but damn. But I just went into the vintage store in Utica, but I didn't find anything, unfortunately. So I guess we're gonna move on to the next location. I know shopping isn't technically an errand, but it was to find birthday gift items for my brother. But I'm starving right now, so I think I'm gonna go down to Dunkin' or something and grab something to eat because, yeah, my tummy is grumbling. So I'm gonna go do that. My friends, my Dunkin' was free today, so let's hope it doesn't taste like shit. It's not terrible. Could have more caramel, but it'll get the job done. So I just stopped at this cafe slash bakery that's gluten and dairy free because tomorrow is Cody's birthday and he is vegan. So I thought I'd be a nice sister and get him some vegan cupcakes. But like all of their specialty ones weren't vegan, they were just dairy free. And I'm like, please explain that to me, like why you didn't just go all out and make them vegan. So I got him a 4-pack of cupcakes that look like something that like I probably could have just made him myself. But I'll show you guys anyway. And also, this I couldn't make. This is an oatmeal cream pie that's vegan. But he's gonna have to let me try it because it looked really good. And it was also like $6 fucking. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the cupcakes, but I'm just like, I probably could have just made them for like $5 instead of the $16 that I spent, but it's the thought, and they look fancier, I guess, than I could do, but I don't really know what else I have to do. That was my big errand, was that I was gonna stop at this cafe and surprise him with some cupcakes for tomorrow, but I don't know. I should go somewhere else. I'm gonna think about it. These are said cupcakes. They're just vanilla with chocolate frosting. Maybe they'll taste really good in comparison to what I could have made. But I've made vegan cakes before. And we're gonna make them another one for when my parents are back from vacation, but anyway. So real quick, I stopped into TJ Maxx because I was kind of just like, feeling like walking around. But there was a lot of people in there, so I didn't film anything because it was just crowded and stuff. But I'll show you what I got. I only got like a couple things. I got this really cute hot pink bodysuit. It kind of drapes in the front a little bit, and it's like asymmetrical sleeves, or no sleeves, whatever you want to call them, straps. Very Barbie-core. I feel like I don't have enough hot pink, so that's why I bought it, and it was on sale, so. And then I grabbed a bottle of this facial spray. I like this scent because it just smells like summertime to me, so I like spraying this on my face in the morning when I first wake up.
And out through the mouth. Nice hot ones here. And we'll be all the way out. And nice. And exhale completely. here. Stay curious with your breath. Let's find a little flexibility through the foot, through one knee and then the other. Breathing in, and then open the chest and you do pay better attention to our breath. Beautiful. Take one more breath, letting our heart soften. When things in Cobra, maybe it grows a little.
This is me piecing out. We are going to snuggle on the couch and watch TV. And that's how we're gonna end this lovely day, so. Tango is very traumatized after his bath. Huh, bud? I know.